Hi guys, Ashley here, and today on this episode we're doing 4 Disney Frozen Funko Pop boxes. I'm so excited about these. I can't wait to get a Sven or a Kristoff. So I can't wait to get one of those two characters. So let's hope in one of these boxes we get one or the other. Now before we open up those or our Frozen Flurry inspired Play-Doh surprise egg, if you are watching this episode and you are not a subscriber, make sure to hit that little red subscribe button wherever it is on your screen so you don't miss out on any more awesome videos like this one or shout outs. And speaking of shout outs, yay Paige! You are so good at our Finding R2 game, but don't forget we are still playing, so let me know in the comments where you find him, and when we find one lucky person who gets it right in the comments, we're gonna give you a shout out in the next video. So make sure to do that and tell us where he is in the comments. Now let's open up our Frozen Funko Pop boxes. I can't wait to see what character we get. We'll start with this one. We got Anna! I think this is one of the only grown-up Annas that can come in this Funko Pop box. So this was one of the commons. This is 1 out of 12. But yay, we have another Anna. And look, I just love her little purple hat. So yay, Anna! Look at that streak in her hair. Okay. Not one of these, but we'll still keep our fingers crossed. So yay, we got Anna. Let's check out the next one. Finally got an Elsa, and it's the younger Elsa too. Which one is this? This looks like this one. So it's a 1 out of 12. It's one of the more common ones, but it's still so cute. I mean, look, it's the younger Elsa. We don't see much of the younger Elsa. We usually see the older one because people like the Let It Go songs so much. Okay, which one? Anna or Elsa? We'll go with Anna. Let's hope it's a Sven. I'm so excited to see if it's him. It feels tiny. I don't know. And it's an Olaf. I think we have this one, but it's the upside down Olaf head, and it's one of the rarer ones. It's a 1 out of 36, so yay, we got a kind of rare one, and it's silly Olaf. We just love Olaf, even with his head upside down. He looks so cute. Okay, last box. I really hope we get a Sven. If not, we'll have to buy more boxes and finally find a Sven. Let me know in the comments who's your favorite character and who you hope we find in one of these boxes. I don't know, it feels bigger. I don't know if I feel antlers. It's an Elsa! Wow, 2 Elsas in a row. That's awesome. And this is one of her Let It Go moments. And this is a 1 out of 12. So this is one of the more common ones. So no Sven or Kristoff in these boxes, but that's okay. We'll open plenty more of these boxes. Let me know which of the characters you like the most. Now let's open up our Play-Doh egg. Look at these snowflakes. I really like these snowflakes. Bye-bye, swirls. There are eggs, and hey, it's an Olaf. Come on, silly Play-Doh. Okie dokie, let's see. 2 eggs and an Olaf Pez. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Look at that nose. Good thing he loves his nose so much. Okay. I don't hear anything in this one. That's mysterious. Hey, look who it is. It's Anna, and it's a little head clip, or hair clip. So, I wonder whose hair we can stick it in. We can stick it in Elsa's. Although that kind of looks silly on her head. But you get the idea. So yay, that's awesome. It says Anna. And it has a picture of Anna. Woohoo! Now let's see what's in this one. Pez candies! So we have our Olaf Pez and our Pez candies. I can't wait to eat some of these. Pez is like my favorite candy. Silly Olaf. Well, that's all for our Funko Pop boxes and our Play-Doh surprise egg. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to let me know where you found R2. And don't forget to tell me which character that we got was your favorite. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like this video below and subscribe. If you would like another fun video, click one of the videos you see here. Or for a surprise video, click the question mark. Okay guys, see you next time.